I got a fish on.
See?
Oh yeah, I got a good one.
See?
Oh yeah, I got a good one.
We're over here at the Aunt Kate's boat ramp, or they call it, I guess, a Usina boat ramp. Fixing to put in. It's a calm day. You can see the water over here, so we're going to give it a shot in the Gheenoe and see if we can run across the intercoastal since it's not choppy. We're going to try to really target maybe flounder, trout, and redfish, obviously the big three. So this spot I'm going to, I've caught plenty of big flounder there before, so we're going to see if we can get on them. And here's Kevin Roberts. Boom! Hello. Still not British. This episode is being sponsored by Captain Hook's Tackle. Most of his jig heads and leaders are all in local St. Augustine bait shops, so check them out.
Well, hello, camera. How's it going? The intercoastal waterway in a canoe.
Man, this water is super clear.
You know, if you get stung by a jellyfish, if you pee on it, pain will go away.
I'm not peeing on you.
I'll pee on you.
That's okay, I'll pass.
Fish, that might be a flounder. Is that on shrimp?
Yeah, that might be a flounder. The way that thing was going.
Yep. Called it, didn't I?
Good for you.
Called it.
That's actually not a bad size either.
Yeah, it might be alright. Felt a tug.
A flounder has to be 12 inches.
Is that the new rules?
And you can have 10 per day.
That's been changed, I think March 1st.
I'm probably wrong. Don't listen to me.
I think it's 14 now.
I quit.
Used to be 12.
Now I know why you gave me that ruler.
But that just changed. That just changed, buddy. Not fighting. That's a flounder.
Flounders don't fight?
Now it feels like a dragon at first, then you'll feel a little jerking.
That was on shrimp too?
Oh, that's a flounder. That's a bigger one, I think. Yeah, that's a good one. Might net this one here. Here, hand it to me. I'll get it.
You could have pulled that one in.
Yeah, maybe. His mouth. Oh, jeez.
I wouldn't have messed either. He did not want that shrimp. You thought he gave
Look at the size of that mouth on that sucker, huh? And them teeth.
Like a big one. That's definitely a keeper.
Yeah.
You get over in the spot where you were.
Well, number 2 flounder. So this one's 14, another keeper. Putting them in the box. I think I had me a flounder on. I do. 3rd flounder, 14. So getting a bunch of the just that size. Got another one in the box.
Probably about the other size.
They're definitely here, man. You got the touch. That's a good one.
Flounder in the boat. This one on a mud minnow. Getting them caught up. Yeah, that's good.
He did that on purpose.
Got rougher.
Just a smidge.
Me and Hollywood's out of the intercoastal. We went to Robinson Creek, had to cross the intercoastal. It was a really nice day. So it was really flat. So the Gheenoe made it across with no problems. It got a little wet in the front, but that's okay. You know, the water's only about 50 degrees temperature, but the outside's about 70, so he's warmed up a little bit. So we're heading now. We've decided, we caught up our flounder over there, and we're gonna head over to Moultrie Creek and see if we can get a few reds.
Did you say we?
What I meant to say was us as a team caught some flounder. So there is, I guess there's not, that wouldn't work. The I in teamwork, that wouldn't work. So there's a T, and I don't know, 2 of us.
I don't even know what to say. Man.
I don't know either. But
I'm at a loss.
he caught a pinfish. So yeah, so we got a pinfish. So we still got plenty of bait though. So we're gonna go try to get rid of it over there at the old spot. There's little bites. Ooh, fish on. Fish on.
Looks like a good one actually.
It's a red. It's a red.
Sweet.
It's going to probably be a keeper, it looks like. Yeah, most likely.
Why does it? That's a big one.
He's good. He's not too big.
It's a catfish.
You don't know what's going on yet. You don't know. Oh, he knows now. He knows now. He knows. He knows.
Every time.
19-inch redfish. Probably about the 2nd or 3rd cast back in the spot. Good to go. In the box, buddy.
Ooh, I got a fish on. Oh yeah, I got a good one. Oh, look at this. This is my first red. Look at this. Not a keeper though.
It might be. It's gonna be close. Gotta be 18.
Oh shit! It just came off. It broke the line. It broke the line, really? Come on. Come on.
You want the grippers? You want the grippers?
Hang on. I can't even get to it. It did break the line.
Yep. You want these? 18.5-inch redfish. First legal redfish Kevin's ever caught.
Yes, sir.
Boom! In the box. That's a sheep. It's a good sheep. It's a good sheep. 11-inch sheephead. Not quite big enough. Look at them teeth. Look at them suckers.
Looks like my grandma used to look whenever she wore dentures.
You talking to me? You talking to me? Huh? All right. See you later, sucker.
Come on, buddy. You know you want to bite it, just bite it. Well, we're where the fish are, that's for sure. Fish on.
Got him?
Yep.
What is it, sheep?
Feels like it.
Mangrove.
Oh,
Check to see if that joker's 10.
it ain't 10. Get over the boat, dude.
Got me that oyster. Got me that oyster fish.
Check that out. That might be a 10.
Gotta be 12.
Oh. Oh, stupid. All right, it's not a 12. But they're still here. What is this? A sheepshead? 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 Oh, he's bleeding. Go back, buddy. Oh, thanks. Appreciate that. I got you, sucker.
Got you, sucker. Well, the bite has stopped. We're all out of shrimp. And all we have left is mud minnows. Had a couple of small bites on some muds, but Nothing really biting the muds right now. You see the water's not moving, so definitely slack tide. It should have, back in these creeks, it usually goes about an hour past the low tide type of thing, maybe a little bit longer. So we're about to call it quits. We got Kevin in the front of the boat.
Hello.
It seems like we did pretty good. We caught some flounder in the box. We got some redfish in the box. Kevin got his first decent sized redfish, so which is pretty cool. And I'm getting a bite right now. So hold on, I'll see you in a little bit. Well, that was, hey, that's what we had a little interruption real quick, was a little mangrove snapper. And he's got a little bit of a biting issue. So we're gonna put him back. He's definitely not big enough. But we're gonna throw it over here next to Kevin. Don't tell him. Shh. We're gonna surprise him. All right, y'all wait for his reaction. You ready? We're gonna put this mangrove, we're gonna throw it over there next to him. He's gonna think a fish is gonna be right next to him. You ready?
Holy crap, did you see that fish jump right beside me?
You're under me, you're good.
Fish on.
You got your red.
It's a good one. It's another 14-incher.
Got him?
Yeah.
All right. Look at that.
Oh, get over here. Don't fall off. Don't fall off.
Kevin's on the reds.
It's okay, buddy. I'm not going to keep you. You're too small. Rip that lip.
I'm on the front of the boat here for some reason.
One spot, two spots. I'll measure this one, but I know it's too small, but
Where'd you get that one? Back in front
probably
of the
six,
dock?
yeah,
Wow.
probably 16 and a half. A red.
Oh yeah, looks pretty good. That might be a keeper. Might be a keeper. Yeah, might be a keeper here. Well, he's gonna be close. Probably 17 up. Oh, he just spit his damn butt on me.
Oh, dude,
yeah.
you're supposed to keep the mud.
Yeah, we won't need another hook. Let me swallow that sucker. Oh, he's bleeding bad.
You want a knife?
He needs a tourniquet. He's not that big, I don't think. He might be a keeper, I don't know. We'll see. Vince, no, he's not. He don't look too big. No, he's a small guy. I mean, 17 probably. $17.5-inch redfish. Got him. So, hadn't caught a redfish in a while. That's Kevin's. Ah! He just got out of my hands. Holy Nike. Whoa! Well, that sucker got me right here. Oh, well, I guess he's camera shy. I don't know. All right, buddy. See you later, sucker.
You earned that one.
Well, we ended up having a great day. We ended up catching 6 redfish, 4 flounder, a whole bunch of sheephead and mangroves. So we ended up keeping 2 of those redfish and the 4 flounder, brought those home. But ended up having a good day. Kevin Roberts ended up catching his first legal redfish, which was awesome. Make sure you check out his page, Where the Roberts. He's got a great page. He started doing some fishing stuff too, so if you enjoy some fishing videos and drone videos, he's your guy. So check him out and make sure you continue watching the Gheenoe Guy. Hit those notification buttons and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching the Gheenoe Guy.